Today we are going to start exercise 3.2, question number 2. Okay, in this, find measure of each exterior angle of regular polygon of first is 9 sides, number of sides is 9. Okay, we know each exterior angle of regular polygon is 360 upon n. Now if n is 9, then each exterior angle will be 360 upon 9. Now this is 9 1 ja 9, 9 4 ja 36, it will be 40 degree. So each exterior angle will be 40 degree if number of sides are 9. Okay, so second part is same. If n is 15, you can apply the same formula. Each exterior angle is equals to 360 upon n, and n is 15 here. Now you can simplify this by 5. 5 3 is 15, 5 7 is 35, carry 1, 10. Okay, so it will be 5 2 is 10. So 72 upon 3. Now 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, and this is 12, 3 4 is 12. So each exterior angle will be 24 degree. Now question number 3. How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of exterior angle is 24 degree? Since each exterior angle is 24 degree, again this is same, but this time we have to calculate number of sides. Now each exterior angle is 24 degrees. So each exterior angle means 360 upon n. So 360 upon n is equals to 24. Now we have to calculate n. So we'll transpose this like simple equations. So n will be 360 upon 24. Okay, 360 upon 24. Now I cancelled out this by 8. 8 3 is 24, 8 4 is 32, 4 40, 8 5 is 40. Now this will be 45 upon 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3, carry 1, 15, 3 5 is 15. So this will come 15. So this polygon will be having 15 sides. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is how many sides does a regular polygon if each interior angle is 165 degree? Now this is given each interior angle is 165 degree. So with the help of this is the condition, each interior angle is 165 degree. We have to calculate each exterior angle first. So interior angle and exterior angles formed linear pair. So each exterior angle will be 180 degrees minus 165 degrees. Okay, so it will be 15 degrees. Now apply formula for each exterior angle. This is 360 upon n is equal to 15. Now n will be, just transpose this, 360 upon 15. 15 2 is 30, carry 6, 60, 15 4 is 60. So n will be 24. It means that polygon will be having 24 sides. Now question number 5. A part, is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle? They are saying, is it possible if each exterior angle is 22 degree? So can we find number of sides in whole number? Because number of sides, it is just a number, means number of line segments. It means it should be in whole number. So let's try this again using the same formula. We will try to find out the value of n, but here you can see n is 180 upon 11, and if we will solve this further, we will not be getting any whole number, so it is not possible. Okay, likewise in B part, now they are asking if we'll take each interior angle 22 degree, is it possible? Then now in that case we'll be calculating each exterior angle first. This is 180 minus 22. By linear pair property, it is 158 degree. Now try to calculate value of n, but here again value of n is 180 divided by 79. Again this is not a whole number, so it is also not possible. Thank you. You can try question number 6 in this way.